Today I want to make a video on woman empowerment, or actually something that's disguised as woman empowerment. My mentality, my goal for this channel is to empower women. But my goal is also to maybe provide an alternative, a red pill, I could say, for some of the common mindsets that are going around the world. To be frankly honest, I don't really see the benefit in a lot of them. There's all these movements that claim that they're empowering women, that claim they're benefiting them, but actually, it's not. My name is Karina. For anyone who is new on this channel, do subscribe to it for videos to empower yourself. I make videos about money, woman, and power, and also like this video, or dislike it if you don't agree. I made a video earlier in my channel about OnlyFans, and I don't really care what women choose to do as their profession. That's not the point of it. I just don't think there is another side of the story that's being shared. When I look up OnlyFans, let's say on YouTube, all of the videos are about how to make more money on OnlyFans, and everywhere on social media, OnlyFans is normalized as a way for women to make money. I've noted in that video that it's a site created by men for men. And right now, it's the easiest way for women to make money. A lot of women come on and say, I'm taking back my power, and a lot of men treat us as objects, so now I'm taking that power away from them and I'm doing this myself. I'm able to earn an income on this, I'm providing for myself. And if that's what you need to do, that's your choice. Is this truly empowerment? Because it's a platform created by men, it's a platform created for men, it's a platform where men pay you a very small fee for a return of service, which is your precious body. If this site were to disappear, if the demand of the man wanting your specific account or your specific photograph, or women in general, were to disappear, then that income stream for women would end. Does that mean that a man's desire and a man's invention is controlling a woman's livelihood, her income, her ability to produce that money? That's exactly what this means. The same goes for the entertainment industry when it comes to kind of that type of situation. It's all dominated by men, and women often get mistreated in those industries, and men are the ones profiting more than the women. Now, you may think that someone is making more money off of it in comparison to a minimum wage job, let's say, but on the grand scheme of things, a man is benefiting more than a woman. And the thing is that the end result is still exactly the same. The end result is men want what they want, which is to visually see a woman in that place, except for now they don't have to push her to do it. Now women are willingly doing this themselves. And this whole women's movement, women's empowerment is very interesting because it makes me wonder who really wants this. And if that's the truth, if the woman really wants it, why does she want it in the first place? Why does she want to take back her body and kind of put it out there for everybody to see? What's the desire? Is the desire because she has been pushed around for decades and decades to do a certain thing, so she feels it's easier to do it herself? Is that truly empowerment? Why can't empowerment be other things in a woman? Because this is the only thing I see now as an empowerment movement, is shaking your booty online, exposing your body, posting provocative pictures, getting attention from men. I don't see women empowering as much in the fields of education, in the fields of business, in the fields of, do I really want to show my body to every single person and make $7 for it? Of course, there are accounts that do support this, but I see more of the opposite. My question is why is this so normalized? Why is this so normalized as the easiest way to make money for a woman? Is this really training the future generation for things that are better for women? Or is it training the future generation in a brainwashing way for a society that is more cultivated and favorable for men and their needs? Because that's what I'm seeing. That's what men want, that's what they get. And for what? $7.99 a month? On top of that, there's a movement of, you know what? A 50-50 relationship actually empowers me. Now, not only am I going to be a house taker, raise kids, give birth to kids, and put my body through tremendous stress, give the best years of my life to a man who I'm not even certain I'm gonna end up with for the rest of my life because the divorce rate is so high. Now on the flip side, they think, you know what, let me just pay for half the bills or even more. Is that something that's empowering to women? Really? Let's look at this. We've already been giving away everything, but now we're willing to give away even more for some petty little throwouts. That's how I see things. I see young girls on the internet being lured into these fields, thinking it's acceptable to be extremely provocative while they are simply just children and should not even be having these thoughts, because most influencers do promote this type of lifestyle. And that is what we are raising our younger generation to believe in, to attain that you are valuable based on your appearance, that you're valuable based on, you know what, if I don't have money, I can just create an account and things will be fine, because there's so many ladies on here making six figures and it's so easy. Why can't we train younger women to maybe be educated in business, maybe be educated in investments, in any type of education? Nothing is easy in this life. It's all about the effort you put in and to the respect you have about yourself. No one is talking about the fact that your reputation, once it's created, is much harder to redo completely than to reinforce. That once you are on these platforms and sites and then have a change of heart 1 week later, 1 month later, 1 year later, then maybe it's too late. At that point, your pictures are in the internet and you never know when they're going to come back and haunt you. Do you even want them out, or was it worth $40? Why can't we teach them that there are longer strategies to make money, and that $50 is not the only $50 that you're going to make in your life, that you can make $50,000 or $500,000? That's true empowerment. I think everybody has a choice in this life, and we can either choose to go with the current or actually take a look from a different perspective and ask, whose agenda am I following? Am I following my agenda, what I want, what's for the greater good of women? Or am I following something that's trendy, something that's easy? Because that's what most people are doing. So that's why I made this channel. That's why I'm making this video, is to give you a different perspective on this outlook. I know that some people may not agree, and that's completely fine. So that's just my 2 cents. Think about it, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you in my next video.